Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about what does car insurance cover. A car insurance policy consists of several types of coverage, some of which are mandatory in most states, while others are optional. The common coverages are bodily injury liability coverage. If you are involved in an accident that results in an injury to another driver or their passenger and you are at fault, this coverage will help any associated costs up to the limits on your policy. It is required in 49 states and the Districts of Columbia. The exception is New Hampshire, which allows drivers to forgo insurance but strongly recommends that they buy it. However, there are circumstances that proof of insurance is required. Property damage liability coverage. This coverage this covers any damage you cause to another driver's vehicle or other property such as neighbor's fence. It is also required in virtually every state. Collision coverage. Collision insurance can cover damage to your vehicle in the event of an accident. It is optional in every state. Comprehensive coverage, also known as other than collision. Comprehensive coverage covers damage to a vehicle from the causes such as flooding, a fallen tree, or a fire. It also covers you if your car is stolen. Like collision coverage, it is optional. Medical payments, injury protection, mandatory in some states. Medical pay or PIP covers medical bills and related costs if you are a passenger in your car are injured in an accident. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. If you are ever in an accident with someone who does not have car insurance or whose insurance is not sufficient to cover the damage they have caused, this insurance can cover that shortfall. It is mandatory in some states. If you are leasing a car or have an outstanding auto loan, you might also consider a separate type of policy known as gap insurance. In the event that your car is declared a total loss after an accident, gap insurance will cover any difference between what your auto insurance company pays you and what you still owe on your lease or loan. In addition to coverages above, many insurers also offer more specialized type of policies such as anti-classic or classic automobile insurance and ride share insurance for the people who drive for companies like Uber or Lyft. Note that if you see your car for work purposes, you may need a commercial car insurance policy rather than a personal use. What is car insurance? In general, a personal auto insurance policy will cover the policyholder and any family member listed as driver on the policy. Policies also typically cover anyone who is not on your policy but is driving your car with your consent. How much does cover car insurance cost? According to AAA, annual premiums for full cover insurance, liability plus collisions and comprehensive averaged depending on the size of vehicle in 2022. Still, your cost could be much higher or lower. The cost of car insurance depends on a wide range of factors, including the buyer's driving record, where they live, and the value of their car. Prices can also differ from company to company for the same coverage. A major variable is the policy's level of coverage. States that mandate certain types of coverage and also set minimum required amounts for them. For example, a driver in Ohio must have at least 25,000 per person and 50,000